How much for the battery wear? Is a battery girl this, you know? Is a battery girl. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. You don't know it's a girl Rishi, and today we are going to be doing a Q&A. I gave my followers and friends the opportunity to ask me some questions just for you guys to get to know me a bit more, and I got a few questions, so today we are going to be going through those, so stay tuned. Okay, so if you guys see me looking down, I'm looking in my other phone, and I don't know if the phone is in the frame, but if you see me looking down, I'm looking on the phone, yeah. So anyway, the first question is, what is your real name? Okay, well, my real name is Ericia Campbell. That is Erichia. Most people can't spell my name, so yeah, the word no if you spell it no. Anyway, so this person asked, what is your favorite color? Well, I don't think I have a favorite color at the moment. Well, my favorite color was purple. Yeah, purple. I don't think it's my, I don't have a favorite color anymore, but I like purple. I like purple, blue, sometimes pink, but I don't have a favorite color at the moment. I just like purple, but it's, I don't say, no sir, I don't have a favorite color, but yeah, I like it. So this person asked, is your brother an artist? You don't know that? How you not know that? The one chocolate. If you don't know, you know now. Yes, my brother is an artist. Chocolate. Follow me on YouTube. Subscribe to YouTube page. Yeah. If you don't know him now, you soon will. Yeah, and follow Pablo too. Pablo hype. You don't know one from. When you hear bad for that you do Pablo Dan. Oh bad. Don't me an artist. Me an artist. Remember your piece. You don't know say I'm me name Rishi. Me and the man named Reese's Puff. And when you see me, you don't know so me no ramp with girl, me no player. Me no ramp with boy. Me make them the key. Me I left right this one. How old are you? I'm just going through the basic questions first. How old are you? I'm 19. Yes, I'm 19. I know by my hairstyle today I look like a child, but I'm a child. Why do you go to parties so often? Hear me, man. I'm not going to party. I'm not going to party often. I'm 19. I need to live my life when I'm young. Yeah. So when we get older, like when we are 40, I put me 40. When we are 40, we can do adult stuff. Like, but well, me not even know if when me are 40, I go to a party. Maybe. If me still look good, or me not give my life to God, me go to a party, because you have to have fun in life. You can't just boring.
One eternity later.
Boring. Yeah, me am 19. I think 19 I right age to go to a party and stuff like that. I'm not influence nobody if I go. But I'm saying I think 19 is the right age for you to do what you like. Yeah, and I like to go to parties, so yeah, I have to go. I have to go because I want to go. I like parties. Parties are fun. So why not go? You are Yamin. Red flag. your person ask if me hear me. Like, no, me not hear me. But even if me did hear me, you think would I come tell me? Seriously, you think would I come tell me say me hear me? No girl, me not tell you that. Me hear me, no boy can't take me for idiot. Me not ask. Yeah. The next question say, will you invite me to your channel? Of course, my love. Anytime you just tell me. I'll invite you freely to just come. How much for the battery? Is a battery listen now? Is a battery. This person asks, you is a skilly bang. Why me keep man as a skilly bang?
I don't, but I do this with confidence. You understand?
You is a skilly bang fan. If not, me not watch no more video. Okay, me is a skilly bang fan, but me love.
Y'all come and make me talk about this.
Skeng.
Oh yes, I chuck a cup in a cheap panty. Say you have a man and in a tell about this. Buy a cup of jazz and a cup of roses.
Skeng on my artist, me not ask. How did the pandemic affect you? I want the pandemic happen again. From 2020, I think 2020. That not do know. Well, it kind of affect me because I long line and long line I have to wear masks and all of them someday. But other friend that didn't really affect me now because I always in the mirror. Oh yeah, affect me because we couldn't go on a party, we couldn't go nowhere.
Come on. Stay into the Ross yard or the like road tomorrow.
Because everything just everything just is like everything take a U-turn, you know, everything. So yeah, I think it affect me bad because we couldn't go nowhere. Even though me not go nowhere, but me still couldn't go nowhere. You ever want to go somewhere, but either you don't have the money to go at that time they feel it. But as soon as you have the money to go, you have your clothes and you have everything, and somebody invite you, and you say nah go, you don't really feel it like when you want to go. Yeah, so how do you want to get it over with? And today is the monkeypox come. One magazine will come. I wonder if God come to your world. I'm a Christian, so hi. The next question is, what is the worst and best experience in high school? That's gonna take me a little time to think about my life, because I don't think I have the best experience in high school because I don't like school, to tell the truth. I don't like school. I don't know what could have made me like school.
Dance and I'm bossy.
Even when I don't know, even when I get money to go to school, I still don't want to go, I don't like school. Even when I have people at school, I don't want to go. I don't know what could have made me like school, but the best and worst experience, I have to come back to the question, honestly. I have to really think about it and come back. I come back. So moving on, this person say, what inspired you to start your business? If you don't know, I have a small business, novelty pieces. Go and go follow it. I have a small business. What inspired me? Like, honestly, I just love the things. Anything when I say me I go do, I Me just do it, I just some mistake. Me just do things, honestly, me just get up one day and say, you know, me go start one online business or small business, and then I lie me I tell you now, and that's how me started. You see how me lie? Oh my God, and that's how me started. Oh, and I know how me like it. And that's how me started business, yeah. And that's how me started. My friend Denise and this my friend there. Me don't really know how I go. Me remember how I go. But I think everybody that try to find something to do with their life. Like Denise they start YouTube, and then me and this lady find something to do. And me say me I go start the business. Well, first I never that me that go do. If you don't want one story time, how that go? Just tell me. It's a long process, because one bad things we did I go do. If you don't want to know how you go, tell me you don't want story time. So, moving on. Will you ever do YouTube with your boyfriend?
You must be mad!
No, you know. No, me a person like this, honestly. Me no know, me not more to do it. Me have commitment issue. Next thing, me and him go put up 1 video, 100 video, 1,000 video. Oh, we love it and thing. And then we have to go live. Then we have to come explain what I feel like. If you want to let somebody, wanna just select. If you want to let me just select, we just select. And nobody not to know. Me not to explain, say, really, me left him left me. So, and see when people know about you and your man, Jesus God, me go too far. Alright, I'm trying to put it simpler. When people know you're in a relationship at that time they want it. But as soon as you're in a relationship, they don't bother want you. You get what I say? So people just ready. So I don't really know if we'll start it. I don't think we'll start it, but maybe in the future if you guys want it, you could tell. So the person say, who was your first love? Why? Maybe I say my boyfriend. I think I'm a boyfriend of a person because people say me careful, but me as a girl, me not entertain foolish, honestly. Me not entertain foolish. So when me got high school and one boy thing and people think say, oh, you have boyfriend. No, me never have a boyfriend because me not like people for a longer time. Yeah. Oh God, me can't say that. Me like people, but some people me not like. So that lead up to the next question. Are you an introvert or extrovert? Well, me don't know me why now, honestly. Sometimes me not like the people. And then there's some other time like when we got party, me like the big crowd. But if me a walk go somewhere, me see one bag of people, me not like it. So me not like gold more while and me like gold. So me not think me a none. Me a both. And enough people ask what kind of content we intend to create on YouTube. Things about me. I think I'm going to do adventure. A different adventure. Yeah, so if me go there, so me can't know it, me go there, so. Me always go places, honestly. And me don't make no video, me don't make nothing. Me just go. So me just can't know with me when me go. And I'm gonna do birding video and stuff like that because we can bird. Yes, me teach myself to do that too. As me say, me like the things, me like know so we can do things. So yeah, me bird and just stuff in me in my life stuff, interesting stuff, to add interesting stuff. Yep. Alright, so the last question is the question that I skipped. What is your best and worst experience in high school? I don't have a best experience. I don't think I was ever happy at school and was like, wow, I love school, I want to come back. No, I don't like school.
A 4 man used to walk to school every day. Feel like man thing at some look up make up story.
Because as I say, I don't like seeing enough people at when I go to school. I always see enough people because I know enough people at school don't. But me think, I go just go with this one. Me think when my best experience I went me in a first farm, yeah, and me got a fun day, yeah, me got a fun day at first farm. I would have come over me and my friend name Michael, Dario. I remember a girl one. Michael, Dario. I think Rochelle did it and Anushka. If me not tell no lie. First farm, I would have go home. That did nice. But from this I never take back an next bus. If you don't want to know why I never take back no more bus from me left in a first farm and this start in a second farm me take bus. But if you don't want to know why I never take it back after that, tell me when I go to one story time because no, me never talk about that. But maybe when I go and hear about it. So tell me if you don't want me to talk about it. And then worst experience me have? Worst experience.
One eternity later.
I don't know. Honestly, I don't know. I try to think about it. But maybe it's the fact that I think so me and some people did that so. I think me and some people did a friend. And me and them never did a friend. You get me I say? Because certain things I just don't say. Maybe that's why I'm not even like people because you know when you think you have people are friends and you don't really friends.
I need no bad energy around me. Burn bad energy. Me need some real people around me. Burn haters.
I will left that one next time. So yes guys, thank you for watching the video. I hope you enjoy, and as I said, if you guys want a story time and why I don't take any more bus from school and to and from school, I don't take bus, and if you want a story time and how I started my small business, just comment down below and let me know. So bye.